Reconnecting and rebuilding relationships. Understanding, recreate bonds. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, recreate bonds. This is a fascinating expression used in English to describe the process of rebuilding or strengthening relationships that have weakened or broken over time. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. The word, recreate, is key here. It means to create again or bring something back to life. It's often used when something has existed before but has either changed, faded, or been destroyed. In our context, recreate implies a deliberate effort to bring back a state or condition that was once there. Now, let's look at the word, bonds. In a relationship context, bonds refer to the emotional or social connections between people. These can be friendships, family ties, professional relationships, or any other type of close connection. When we talk about bonds, we're focusing on the strength and quality of these connections. When we combine these two words, recreate bonds means to repair, rebuild, or strengthen relationships that have weakened or been damaged. It involves actions and efforts to revive the closeness and connection that once existed between people. This phrase is often used in personal development, therapy, and relationship counseling contexts. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. After years of misunderstanding, they are trying to recreate bonds. Our community project aims to recreate bonds among neighbors. Notice how the phrase is used to indicate a positive action towards improving relationships. And that's it for today. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, recreate bonds, and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying feelings and actions. Keep practicing, and don't forget to recreate bonds in your own life. See you in the next video.